So now let's see how we can work around with file block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the file block, I'm going to go around onto the block section and click on the plus button right here. And then I'm simply going to go around and search for file. So over here you can see that I got the file block right here. So what I can do over here by utilizing the file block is I can upload out a file right here. For example, I'm going to click on upload, and let's just go around and select out this particular image file that I have, or I can go ahead and select out any file that I have, like a video and so forth right here. Let's just go around and select out this PDF document, let's say for example, and now you can see I can say sample file right here just like this, and it detected that it's a PDF file, so you can see that it actually went ahead and showed its preview as well, just like this. So similarly you can upload out docs and so forth as well. Let me just go around and preview this in a new tab right here, and then you can see the preview right here just like this of this particular file right here. You can click on download and this particular file will be downloaded out right here just like this using the browser. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the file block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.